gentlemen, thank you and welcome to the Kings Island and Miami Valley Railroad. My name's Brandon, and on the back we have Seth, and we will be your conductors for today. Just to do a quick reminder, so please remain seated the entire ride, keeping all hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the vehicle at all times. Shoe shorts and a shirt are all required to ride, and there is no eating, drinking, or smoking, including the use of basics and bacon. That's just about it, so sit back, relax, and enjoy your 8-minute ride here on the train. Just heard it was amazing. We're from none other than Diamondback. The scary part of the Diamondback is not a 235 km to 250 feet at 80 miles an hour. The scary part of the Diamondback is our Transquest by pricing at $22 million. Only second to the Manatee, costing $24 million. Here, guys, this left-hand side is an exclusive view of the Diamondback, which you can only get here on the train and on the ride itself.
Yeah.
Spring of 2017. I know right there, not removing Whitewater Canyon. It is complete close for the rest of the 2016 season, and will open up again in spring of 2017 as well. In 1972, it is 100% real. Also up here, guys, is right hand side is the front end of our engine house where we store our trains at night or when they are not in use. If you take a peek on inside, you'll be able to see the front end of the freight engine number 19.
Gonna go all the way through. You'll be able to see the construction site for the brand new Hunter Mystic Timbers, which will be debuting next year, spring of 2017. And it sounds pretty cool. I suggest you guys check it out. We do ask that you guys please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop, and I tell you it is safe to exit.